loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I have a Shein try-on haul for you guys. Everything I picked up is in a 1XL, which is equivalent to a size 14. I'm really excited about these pieces. I feel like every Shein haul is better than the last, so this one I think is my all-time favorite Shein haul so far. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a big thumbs up. You can also turn on your notification bell so that way you never miss when I upload a new video. I will leave my Instagram linked down below, along with my like to know it, Poshmark, all of that stuff, my Amazon storefront. So yeah, if you enjoy Shein hauls, please keep watching. Okay, so this is the first outfit. This is a really pretty floral dress. You guys know I love my floral dresses, and I love everything about this one. It's lightweight. It's so pretty. Like, I feel so good in this one. It's definitely a flowy dress. It's not tight. I love this little like ruching detail up here. I like tops like this. I think they look very flattering and they're very cute. It does have this little string here that you would tie, so it does come undone. And then it does have like a little cutout here, but you don't really see anything. It's pretty much closed off. Well, I guess it depends on how big your chest is. If it opens up a little bit more, I am a 38D and it's perfectly fine. You don't see anything through it. So I love this dress. Let me give you a little bit of a closer look of the floral print. Very pretty. There is a zipper in the back, so that's how you would get this dress on and off. So there is some construction happening outside, so I'm very sorry about that noise. They've literally been here for like a month already and they're not done, and I don't know when they're going to be done, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I love this dress. It has this little slit right here. I think it's a really nice length. So I am 5 feet 4 inches, by the way, and that is how long the dress goes down on me. You can wear this with heels or sandals. I think either way it would look super pretty, so I definitely recommend this one. I just feel good in it. I think it's pretty, it's classic, it's simple. This dress might be my favorite from the haul, even though I got a lot of really good pieces, just because it's the easiest, simplest dress, and I have nothing like it in my closet, and I absolutely love it. This is so cute. First of all, I think all white just looks so nice and so chic, and I mean, I love it. I love this little like cape detail, so you have something covering your shoulders, your arms, without actually having something really covering you, wearing sleeves or anything like that. It does have pockets, so this part here is like a wrap, so I would suggest wearing a low cut bra, or if you don't have one, just put like a little pin right here and no one would notice, because it does tend to open up a little bit when you're moving around. This is a straight leg pant, and to get in and out of this outfit is so easy. I know it looks scary probably, but this button comes undone and there is a zipper right here, so it's super easy getting in and out of this one. I know sometimes these outfits can be scary, but this little setup right here that's concealed so well works so well. I also really like this outfit because, as you can see, the little cape in the back goes all the way down, so it covers your butt. I would probably wear nude shoes with this outfit and a little clutch. So cute. I love this outfit so much. I don't know where I'm going yet in this outfit, but I need to wear it like soon because it's just like everything. I love it so much. This is probably like a nice little birthday outfit, or if you're having like a company dinner or something like that, this is perfect for that. I love it. The material is pretty nice. It's not like super thin. Just wear something nude underneath. Just don't wear any other color because it will show through if you do not wear nude underwear. I love this little like pleating detail in the pocket area. Super cute. Highly recommend this one. Okay, you guys, I must have been in some type of mood when I ordered this outfit, because this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I normally would not wear a whole complete set like this. I would probably wear the top. So let me give you a closer look of the top. It is actually really cute. So I do like this top. I think it's a little bit different and a little bit sexy. So that's what the top looks like. It's a pretty simple top until you get down here, and then the strings go all the way down here. And then this skirt is high-waisted, and it is a mini skirt, as you can see. It's really cute actually. Like, this little outfit is actually really cute, but would I actually wear this? The material is really stretchy and I love this like milk chocolate brown color. I have this really pretty dress, very feminine, very girly. I feel like this dress gives you like summer picnic vibes. A lot of Shein dresses give me that type of vibe, well, the ones that I pick. So this is no exception. This one is super cute because it's a really nice lightweight material. There is a lining on the inside and it stops right about here, so mid thigh. As you can see, it's off the shoulder. This part here is see-through. I just really like the detailing of this dress. I love this like little neckline. It goes down slightly a little bit, so it's like a slight little V. And I love that little string detail there, so I just tied it into a little bow very quickly. And as you can see, the embroidery does continue all the way down, so very cute, very pretty. It does have a zipper in the back, so that's how you would get this dress on and off. And this part here does continue all the way around, so it is see-through all the way around that area. This part stops right here, so as you can also see, this front part is lined, so you don't have to worry about anything showing through, but the back is not. So the back is a little bit thinner. I think you can see that there. This is perfect for those days when it's really hot because it's white, so you're not going to get overheated. The material is lightweight, and with all of the see-through detailing here, it does keep you cool. So I love this. It's very pretty. So next up we have this jumpsuit. I chose this one because my girls both have something similar to this. The three of us will be matching in our polka dot jumpsuits. So once I actually put this on, I really like the way it looks. It's super flattering because the polka dot detail kind of hides my problem area, which is my stomach. So it definitely like conceals that for me. This part is super cute. And it does have like a little bit of skin showing through here, but not too much because this bow pretty much covers it all. There are no pockets in this one. The material is really light and simple. So that's where it stops, a little bit below the knee for me. And the sleeves do have this like little fluttered sleeve detail. You do have to step into this one, so this part unties and you step into it, pull it up, and then you tie the bow back. So that's how you get in and out of this one. This one does not have any zippers, but this part here is stretchy, so that makes it easy getting in and out of this outfit. So yeah, really cute. Pair with some black shoes or white sandals. We have another jumpsuit in this beautiful red color, and this one goes all the way down to my ankles, so just keep that in mind. If you are taller and you don't want something short, this will fall short on you. So yeah, I really like this one. It's so pretty. The color just looks beautiful. I have it off the shoulder here, as you can see, but you can like put it up and wear it on your shoulder as well. But I love like off the shoulder tops. I think they're super flattering and pretty. Love this fluttered detail here. So this is what the legs look like. So they are like a wider leg. So although I do really like this outfit, I'm not sure if this part here is very flattering on me. I did quickly tie a little knot around here. So this is what it looks like side profile. Very flowy, very comfortable. This material is a little bit on the thicker side. So like the other polka dot jumpsuit was very thin, this one is definitely thicker. So make sure when you're wearing this, it's not super hot outside. This would look really nice with some like black heels and a black clutch, something like that, because this is definitely giving me like dressier vibes. So yeah, very cute. This part is stretchy and you would also have to step into this one, but this one has a lot more stretch than the black one, so this one is a little bit easier to get in and out of than the black one. But both are very cute and really nice little jumpsuit pieces to add to your collection if you're looking for jumpsuits. So this is the next outfit. I love this top. So this top is really lightweight. I love the color. It's definitely giving me like pre-fall vibes. Love it. So cute. Material is so soft. It does have these little like textured details here. I've seen a lot of these tops, dresses with this type of texture. You would have seen it in my other videos. So yeah, I really like this top. I just really like how lightweight it is. So this part comes undone, so you have a string here and then you have a string here that I tied into a little knot. So I currently don't have anything underneath this top except a bra. I do have a suggestion for a low-cut bra from Amazon. I will link it down below. That bra would look really good with this top. I don't have it on right now. I should have put it on, but that would look really good with this top because it is a little bit low cut. flat, so you can wear nothing underneath like it looks like right now. But if you do move around, you will show a bit of skin, and if you're uncomfortable with that, of course, put on a tank underneath this and you will be perfectly fine as well. And then to go with the top, I have on these skinny high-waisted jeans, and they do have rips in them. So this one is a little bit above my knee and this one is a little bit below my knee. The material on this jean is like a medium thickness. I love the material on it. It feels like it's holding me in. And I don't know if you can see, but the bottom of the jean does have like a little bit of a raw edge, and it does go past my ankles. So yeah, this is the first outfit with the jeans. I do have two other tops to show you, but this is my favorite top out of the three. I love this like little flutter sleeve as well, so highly recommend this. Next up, we have this really pretty yellow top. This one is definitely more of a form-fitted top. It is short sleeves and the material is very stretchy. I love this color. So pretty. These buttons are functioning. As you can see, I undid one, so I like the way it looks with one button undone. I just have this top paired with the same skinny jeans. Just a really nice basic top. I feel like you can't go wrong with tops like these. I feel like they're just easy to pair with any pair of like casual bottoms you have on. And of course, as you can see, this top is on the shorter side, so it's not really like a crop top, but it's definitely not like super long either. And then if you close up the button, that's what it looks like. So yeah, just an easy top to wear. So next up, we have this top, which is really pretty, feminine, girly. So it does have all these floral details, and the sleeve is just so cute because it goes down to your elbows. It has that little cinched detail there. I love this neckline. So this part here does come undone, and you can cinch this in as much as you want or as loose as you want. So that's a nice little detail that you can customize yourself. So unlike the other top, this one is definitely longer. You see how long it goes down. This would look good with any pair of bottoms, skirts, jeans, dress pants, shorts. I feel like this top you can get away with wearing it casually, or you can get away with dressing it up as well. And the back of this top does have a zipper, by the way, so that's how you can get in and out of these items. And every item that I've showed you so far that has a zipper in the back, I didn't have any issues getting it on or off by myself. I thought it was pretty simple. It wasn't like hard to maneuver. Sometimes the zippers in the back of clothing pieces can be super hard to get in and out of by yourself, but these are super easy to reach around and like zip up by yourself. So yeah, I like this top. So cute. And again, I just have them paired with the same jeans. I think this top would look so pretty with some white jeans. I think it'll make it pop a little bit more. So yeah, I would suggest white jeans with this top. Next up, we have this really comfy lounge set. So I love this color. You guys know I love my neutral colors, and I love browns, especially now that fall, well, it's not right around the corner, but in my mind it is, because I am a total fall girl. I love all things fall, all the activities, all that good stuff. I'm very basic when it comes to fall. So yeah, I am a basic fall girl, and when I saw this set, I just had to have it. It's so cute, comfortable. Obviously, this is more of a crop top, and it is like a ribbed material. The waistband of these pants is very stretchy, and this drawstring does work. It also has pockets. So this lounge set is definitely more for the cooler weather, because these pants are very thick. These definitely might make you hot just because we are still in the summertime, but I just had to get this so I'm prepared for once it starts getting cooler. And the very last outfit I have to show you guys is another lounge set in another brown color, but this one is a softer brown, and this one is appropriate. You can wear it now because this is super thin. It is a spaghetti strap, and the straps are adjustable in the back. And I love this like little cutout detail here. I love how it goes in like that. So it has like a little point at the end, and as you can see, it has like raw detailing. This part here is stretchy. The string is adjustable, and it does have pockets. It does have lines going down it, which I do like, and the bottoms are jogger style. This one you can lounge in, you can wear it out of the house. It's just a really cute set. So is the other one. You can lounge in it, wear it outside. Love this one. I just love like the rugged look of it. So that pretty much wraps up the Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would love it if you would consider sticking around and subscribing to my channel. Everything I talked about is linked down below in my description box, and a huge thank you to Shein for sending over these pieces. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, and I will see you in my next video.